Hey guys, I'm Rutiza, and I'm excited to share with you today how I started eating healthy. As a nutrition health coach, I've learned that eating healthy can seem intimidating, especially with dietary restrictions like gluten-free and dairy-free. But don't worry, I've got some tips and tricks to help you out. So let's get started. Let's be real. Eating healthy can be intimidating and overwhelming, especially if you have dietary restrictions like gluten-free and dairy-free. But worry not, I've got you covered. Here are some simple things I did to start eating healthy. Step 1, take it one bite at a time. Instead of trying to overhaul your entire diet overnight, start by making small changes, by swapping out your afternoon candy bar for an apple or ordering a side salad instead of fries. Crowd out the destructive foods with life-giving foods. Go back to the basics and start with whole foods. For example, one-word ingredient foods like chicken, fish, sweet potatoes, broccoli, beets, spinach, and Brussels sprouts. That's definitely not an exhaustive list. And I'm only giving you a handful of examples. There are many foods that God gave us to eat that we can enjoy and that help give life to our body. So experiment, enjoy, and find creativity in this. Step 2, I made healthy food my BFF. Healthy food doesn't have to be bland and boring. In fact, there are endless delicious and nutritious options out there. I love gluten-free options like quinoa, amaranth, and sweet potato. I also went dairy-free and started trying almond milk, coconut milk, and vegan cheeses. I loaded up on fresh veggies, organic chicken, grass-fed meat, and healthy fats like avocado and coconut oil. I love me a good salad with fresh lemon juice, avocado oil, salt, and pepper for a dressing. And sometimes I sprinkle fresh minced garlic on top for a slight spicy flavor. I'm not super into spicy, but just a slight hint, it's so delicious and so good. I just love food. And I love to keep it simple. Step 3, I made sure to prep for the week. Failing to plan is planning to fail. I'm sure you probably have heard of that. But avoid being caught off guard by hunger or temptation by preparing healthy meals and snacks in advance. I love to stock up on snacks like almond flour crackers, siete tortilla chips, dairy-free yogurt, fruit, nuts, seeds, or hummus with veggies. You can portion these out for the week. Remember to stick to the serving size behind the package for any pre-packaged health foods. You always want to make sure you stick to those serving sizes on the pre-packaged foods. Step 4, treat yourself in moderation. Eating healthy doesn't mean you have to give up all your favorite treats. The key is to indulge in moderation. I love doing gluten and dairy-free desserts like coconut or almond milk ice cream, sorbet, dark chocolate, or a homemade dessert using almond or gluten-free flour. I do stick with organic sugar because refined sugar will cause inflammation. And I immediately get brain fog after having refined sugar, which is a sign of inflammation. So because I don't want to feel sick and gross, I do organic sugar. Always listen to your body and the signals it's giving you. It's important that we don't ignore those signals because they are alarms for our body. Step 5, enjoy the ride. Starting a healthy diet is a journey, not a destination. It's important to enjoy the process and not take it too seriously. Laugh off any slip-ups and celebrate every small win. Don't stay stuck on the idea that you already messed up and you're just gonna stay there. No, ask yourself, did you enjoy it? Good. Now let's move on and take the next best and healthiest action. We never wanna let one mess up bring us down to destruction. And there you have it, guys. These are the simple steps that helped me start eating healthy. Remember, every little step counts, and it's all about finding what works for you. We want to build a healthy, sustainable lifestyle, not be on a strict, intense diet. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health and nutrition tips. I am also on Instagram at Rutiza Health, if you'd like to follow me there. Thank you so much for watching, and let's build your health.